Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another day out the jungle, and we have got our 8N Ford tractor 1950 model that I got last year up here to leg it on Tuesday. Today is Friday. I came back up here to well, let's just see what we can do, man. I got to make a driveway, so I got limited time on my phone here, so let's get busy at it. I've got the box blade hooked up to a 1950 8N Ford tractor. On the box blade, I've got one of my ripper shanks hanging down. I've got another ripper on this thing, and I'm missing one. The other one's bent, so it either goes all the way down or I can't use it at all. So I'm going to use one and try to take it easy on this old tractor. And we're going to start trying to cut the driveway in. Y'all hang on. Hopefully y'all don't fall off the tractor. We'll see what happens. right, guys, you see what I'm doing. I don't know how good this video is going to be, but for this is all the tractor fans out there that just wanted to see a little tractor action. Gonna be making my driveway down through there. This is all I got to work with. She's good. All right, man, look, dude, check it out. Whole bunch of bricks right here. I wonder if there was a driveway here at one time. But yeah, I've got to make this hill less hilly. It was way too steep. And I can't go any further than right here where the first utility is. But I figure I can cut quite a bit of that off. So anyway, guys, this is what we're doing over here on Friday, as Bad Chad would say. It's Friday. All right, man. We're gonna get off this thing and I'm gonna get back on that thing and stop vibrating y'all's heads off and everything. And I also just don't want to lose my phone. Hell, we'll walk down here. Let's go down here. And I'm gonna use that those little ripper things to rip all these roots and everything up down here. And I'm trying to get rid of this black topsoil. It just holds water, it's squishy, and I'm tired of getting stuck in it. So we're gonna come around over here. I'm dumping the dirt right there. I'm gonna try to build that up maybe into a little pad, and then I'll pack it down and put some gravel on top of it. I'm gonna cut out all this over here, and I'm gonna bring the driveway so that it pretty much intersects with the back end of this truck right here. So when we pull in our illegal driveway, my neighbors with a trailer come in that driveway right there and be able to just whip on around and back out the property. So I got my container here. Came up here on Tuesday and brought all the equipment up that I need up here. Got the big scoop, got my little lawnmower. Hey man, that thing was crazy. I hit a stump or something, and I think I bent the crankshaft because I had to take the flywheel off and move it back, I don't know, man, probably 30 degrees just to get it to run, to keep breaking my arm as it kicks back. But anyway, yeah, that was crazy. Got that working. Got the Craftsman up and going, put a new mower deck on it. It'll be out here doing its final service to life. All right, guys. Well, oh yeah, told you I'd tell you the story about getting that truck here. I know that truck has a partial blown head gasket. I see bubbles coming up out of the end of the reservoir, but it never overheats until I started coming up here. I had about 10, well, I'm gonna say 8-9 gallons of water with me, and I ended up having to fill that up twice in 100 miles. And I mean, fill those jugs up twice each. And before I got here, what the problem was, it thermostat started sticking, and all of a sudden your temperature would go whoop, woo, right back down, all the way up, all the way back down. That's that thermostat sticking, and that was the only problem I had, was the thermostat sticking. So I'll be changing that before I take it back to Houston. And we got our trailer back, and don't ever let anybody your trailer. Talk to you next time. Y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. And I got some more grinding it down to do. Grinding it down, grinding it down. All right, old 8N's doing his job.